Wrapping it up, my boy Jose hitting the last vacuum, getting any last crumbs, any steam. We steamed like the cracks and crevices, so it blew out most of the dust and all the dirt, crackers that was stuck in the cracks. So he's vacuuming the rest. Went ahead, deep clean center console. All the seats shampooed. All the seats are still wet, letting it to dry for the customer, for the clients. Shampooed the floor, the seats, all of that. I really hope you guys could hear me. The vacuum's pretty loud, but shampooed everything. You guys seen the before. All the doors hit. About to hit the interior windows, pretty dusty. About to hit the door seals as well. Get those nice cleaned up for the client. And yeah, put the floor mats back in, and then add some protection on the plastics. So we just wrapped it up. Mats washed down, scrubbed. All seats steam cleaned to lift up the dirt. Of course, degreased and agitated, as you guys seen, as well as shampooed everything from head to toe, the headliner as well. All the doors cleaned up. About to protect it with some plastic protectant. And the back seats, you guys could see the overall condition before and now the after. Everything hit nicely. Everything came out pretty clean.